Hi everyone. Today I'll show you simplification of Surds, exercise 1.4. Look at these sums. I have explained you what is Surd and then important results dealing with Surds. Look at question number 1, part 1. Question says that simplify the following. It is root 5 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. You need to simplify this. So in order to simplify it, you need to follow some steps. You write root. This 45 can be written as root 9 into 5. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45 minus. Similarly, you write this 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20 plus 4 root 5. You write as it is. You have a number which is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square, so it cannot be kept under root. So we write this one as 3. Square root of 9 is 3 root 5 minus. Similarly, you have a perfect square number 4 and square root of 4 is 2 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Simplify this now. You get root 3 5 minus 6 root 5 plus 4 root 5. You have addition and subtraction. So add the positive terms. You need to add only the numbers which you have in front of the sword. 3 plus 4 is 7 root 5 minus 6 root 5. In between you have minus sign means subtraction. Only the number in front of sword gets added or subtracted, so you get 1 root 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Or you can directly write it as root 5. Look at the calculation. How do we get it? We have sword common here. So root 5 is taken out. We get 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. You can operate this way or you can directly solve it. You can do question number 2. Look at number 2 also. Question says that simplify. It is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 root 3. Look at this simplification here. 3 root 3 we copy as it is plus 2 root. This 27 can be written as 9 into 3 plus you have sword at denominator, irrational number. Rationalize it. 7 root 3. Both numerator and denominator multiplies with this root 3 root 3. This process is called rationalization. 3 root 3 plus. You have a perfect square number under root. Square root of 9 is 3. 2 into 3 root 3 plus. Multiply the numerator, you get 7 root 3. Denominator, you get 3. So we get 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3 plus 7 root 3 divides by 3. I am doing calculation by taking common. We take irrational number common, that is sword, root 3. You are left with 3 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. Simplify now. Root 3, you get 9 plus 7 root 3. Calculation. LCM now. Root 3 LCM is 3. 9 into 3 is 27 plus 7. root 3 multiplies root 3, you can write multiplication 34 by 3. This number has to be kept in front of the irrational number, that is 34 by 3. Root 3 is the answer. Simplification and then calculation. Or you could do directly from here. You could do it like this. Numbers gets added up, you get 9 root 3 plus 7 root 3 by 3. Take LCM 3. Only the number in front of irrational number multiplies. 9 into 3 is 27 plus 7 root 3. Or root 3 is also here. Now number gets added up. 27 plus 7 is 34. Root 3 divides by 3. This is another simplification method process. So look at the multiplication now. It is question number 3. Question says that simplify. You get 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So multiply these two numbers separately. 6 into 2 is 12. Root 5 multiplies gives you 5. 12 into 5 is 60. And as I explained you in irrational number, product of two irrational number need not be irrational. It can give you rational number also. Question number 5. 1 5. It is root 24 divides by 8 plus root 54 divides by 9. So look at the calculation here. We have 24. So we simplify in such a way that we get a perfect square number. 24 can be written as 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24. So we write root 4 into 6 divides by 8 plus 54 similarly can be written as 9 into 6. 9 into 6 divides by 9. At numerator, mark the perfect square number. Square root of 4 is 3 root 6 by 8 plus square root of 9 is 3 root 6 divides by 9. You have to take LCM now. You cannot directly add it up. So LCM is 72. 9 into 8 is 72. These numbers now multiplies. 8, how many times 72? 9 times. 9 into 3 is 27 root 6. 9, how many times 72? 8 times. 8 into 3 is 24. 6. Then add it up. The number in front of irrational number gets added up. 7 plus 4 is 11. 4, 5, root 6 divides by 72. Leave it like this. This is the simplified value of the given question. We have one more sum in question number 1. I'll be doing that also. Look at this question number 6. 3 root 8 plus 1 root 2. Simplification has to be done properly. 3 root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 1 by root 2. 3 you write as it is square root of 4. You will get two factors in which one of the factor has to be a perfect square. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. You can simplify by taking LCM, or you can directly add it up. By taking common, You can take common and add it up, or you can do directly. I am doing directly. 2 root 2 is the LCM. So when you divide, we get 1. You get answer as 3. Root 2 divides this, you get 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Add it up, you get 5 divides by 2 root 2. You can rationalize this. Or second step can be solved this way. 3 root 8 plus 1 by root 2. We rationalize individually. 3 by root 8 multiplies root 8 plus 1 by root 2, root 2, root 2. This process is called rationalization. You get 3 root 8 divides by 8 plus root 2 divides by 2. Take LCM now. LCM is 8. You get 3 root 8 plus 4 root 2. You cannot add it up because these two are not like swords. So 3, you simplify this, you get 4 into 2 plus 4 root 2 divides by 8. 3 into 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 divides by 8. Now simplification. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 root 2 divides by 8. If it is divisible, you can cancel it. 5 times, 4 times. So you get 5 root 2 divides by 4. This answer is similar to this here. You can rationalize it. Root 2. Root 2. So we get 5 root 2 divides by 2, right as it is root 2. Root 2 is 2. So 5 root 2 divides by 4. You'll get the same answer. Either you solve it stepwise or you do directly. Question number 6. Look at the sum. Question number 2, 1. Question says that again simplify it. It is 5 plus root 7, 2 plus root 5. Simple algebraic multiplication. 5 multiplies 2, you get 10. Again 5 multiplies root 5, you get 5 root 5. 7 multiplies 2, it is 2 root 7. 7 multiplies, root 7 multiplies root 5 will be root 35. Irrational number you can multiply. Leave it like this. This is the simplified value. You don't have like terms. You cannot add it up. See the second one. 5 plus root 5 multiplies 5 minus root 5. You have like terms with plus and minus. Directly you can solve it or you can use multiplication. First step, a plus b, a minus b formula, you get square minus root 5 whole square, which is equals to 25 minus 5 comes equals to 20. One method, or you multiply it. 5 root 5 multiplies 5 minus root 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25. Again 5 multiplies 5 here. So we get plus into minus is minus 5 root 5. Then you multiply this. You get plus 5 root 5. Plus into minus is minus, root 5 is 5. Plus minus cancels, 25 minus 5 is 20. You can use direct formula or you can do multiplication. Look at the last question. It's easy. So last one, question tells you that 4 plus root 5 root 3 minus root 7. You cannot subtract, remember. This cannot be subtracted because these two are not like irrational numbers. Multiply. You get 4 root 3. Again multiply this. Minus 4 root 7. Multiply this. Plus root 15. Multiply this. You get minus root 35. Multiplication is allowed. You cannot add, you cannot subtract. And this is the simplified value. You cannot add, subtract these irrational numbers. And remember, all sorts are irrational numbers. Look at question number 3. It's an important question. Question says that root 2 is 1.414. Find the values of the following. So I am doing question number, okay, I'll do both. Root 8 plus root 50 plus root 72 plus root 98. Value of root 2 is given, which is equals to 1.414. Means that these given irrational numbers has to be simplified such that you get root 2. So look at the calculation. This 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 50 can be written as 2 into 25. 72 can be written as 36 into 2. 98 can be written as 49 into 2. You are getting 2 over there. These are perfect square numbers. So you find the square root. Square root of 4 is 2. You get 2 root 2 plus square root of 25 is 5 root 2. 36, 6 root 2. 7 root 2. Now you can add them up because they are like irrational numbers or surds. So add all these numbers. 7, 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Here is 20 root 2. Now substitute 20 into 1.414. Multiply this. 8, 2, 8, 2. 0, 3 places of decimal. Here is 28.280 is the simplified value. You can do question number 3 2 in similar way. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. And 16 is a perfect square number, so it is 4. Look at the last question, number 4. You don't have to do other sums. 4. Question says that root 3 is equal to 1.732. Find the value of the following. I'm doing question number 2 now. It is 5 root 12 minus 3 root 48 plus 6 root 75, 7 root 108. I'll tell you one simple step. We are given with value of root 3 means one number has to be 3. So you write 12 and divide by 3. 3 4 times 12. And you are getting a perfect square number over there, 4. So we can write this one as root 4 into 3. 3. Similarly, 48 you divide by 3. 3 is 16 times. You get 16 into 3. Perfect square number. 6. 75 you divide by 3. 25. 25 into 3. Perfect square number. 108 again divide by 3. 36. So it is plus 7. 36 into 3. And once you get these terms, these numbers, perfect squares, you mark it with pencil. Find the square root of these numbers. 5 into 2, root 3. 3 into 4, root 3. 6 into 5, root 3. 7 into 6, root 3. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6. Multiply these now. 10 root 3, 12 root 3, 30 root 3. This is minus sign. 7 into 6 is 42 root 3. When you do the simplification, you can take root 3 common and proceed. 10 minus 12 plus 30 plus 42 root 3 will be easier. It is minus 2, 28. 28 plus 42, 0, 70. Or you can add it like this. 10, 40, 82, 82 minus 12 is 70. It is 70 root 3. 70 into substitute 1.732. 7 into 2 is 14, 1. 7 into 3 is 21, 22. 2, 7 into 7 is 49, 51, 5, 7, 12, put 0, 3 places decimal, it is 121.20. Simplification of Surds. You don't have to do question number 5. You don't have to do number 6, 7. We have already proved they are irrational. Now you have rationalization of Surds, and I'll be doing this in next video because it will be lengthy and it will be boring for you all. Thank you. Stay safe.